Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete a Facebook account. So to do that, let's head over to the Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now I'm heading over to the settings icon on the top right. Now go to the account center. Now here you will find the options of personal details. Head over there. Now you find the option of account ownership and control. Head over there. Now go to the activation and deletion section. Once you're there, select your Facebook account. Now select to delete account. Now it says when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. So tap on continue. Now tap on continue again. Now select any reason. Tap on continue. Now tap on continue again. Now scroll down and tap on continue. Now here you have to give your Facebook password or you enter your Facebook password and tap on continue. And once you do that, your account will be deleted permanently. So there's something you need to know, that there's a 30-day buffering time. So if you change your mind within these 30 days of your deletion, you can just log back right in and the deletion process will be stopped. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.